Hi guys, welcome back. Once again, I'm Raf, and today we have in this 2021 Range Rover Sport SVR. This car belongs to a good friend of mine. He bought the car, he got in touch, and obviously he was concerned because he'd been reading on the news about how many of these were getting stolen. Now, behind the scenes, we've been working on a package for the Range Rovers, something completely bespoke, and this is a brand new system we've designed in-house, and this is the first car we're going to be fitting that system on. So I've picked the car up, the car's now in the workshop, the lads are going to get stuck in. We'll show you a little bit while we're doing the job, and I'll explain exactly what we installed and give you a full demo once this is done. But once this car is complete, this will be the most secure Range Rover Sport SVR in the country. Right guys, so the install is now complete. Unfortunately, we can't show you how we carried out the install for obvious security reasons, but I think it's safe to say that this here is one of the safest Range Rover Sport SVRs in the country after what we've done. So I'll just quickly show you a little bit about how the system works. So the whole system operates from the factory remote control. The alarm we've actually installed is based on a Pandora system. Now, the beauty of the Pandora systems is they're fully customizable, and the alarm is actually only as intelligent as the installer who's fitting it. So all of the outputs can be configured to do exactly what we want to do, and we've actually used a lot of the outputs to do some unique immobilization cuts on this car, meaning once the alarm is armed, you are not getting this car started, period. I'll just quickly give you a demo of how the alarm works. So the alarm system operates from the factory remote control. So you get out of the car, lock the doors, the alarm's on, immobilizer's on. You can unlock the doors from the factory remote control, everything disarms. Now, the alarm will only disarm if one of the tags are within range. So as long as there's a tag within range, the alarm will disarm and the immobilizer will disarm and you can start the car. So these are key to the system. I'll also show you what else we've done. We've actually also incorporated into the convenience locking feature on this car. So when you get out and lock the doors on this car, turns the alarm on. And again, when you walk up to the car and you unlock the doors just by pulling the handle, it disarms our alarm. Again, all this only happens providing there is a tag within range of the car. Right guys, so once the alarm is armed, the car's got multiple layers of security. It's got lots of sensors. So the car has a tilt sensor, so if anybody jacks it up trying to steal the wheels, it'll trigger the alarm. Motion sensor, if anybody tries dragging the car away. It's also got a multi-stage shock sensor, so if there's any light impacts pretty much anywhere around the car, it'll trigger a pre-warn chirp. And the way we've programmed that is it literally works the whole way around the car. Heavier impacts will trigger the full alarm system. When you disarm the alarm and get into the car, providing your tag is within range, you can just get in and start the car. There's no difference. You haven't got to enter any codes or any messing about. You just start the car and you go. So all of that is great, but the best feature on this system, on this car alarm system for me, is the anti-hijack. Now, how that works is if you're driving the car and somebody was to pull you out of your car and drive off, now with all the other alarms on the market, if anybody carjacks you, they've got your car. But with this system, this is bespoke now. I don't think anybody's got this on a Range Rover yet. If you get pulled out, your tag gets separated from the vehicle, the thief will be allowed to drive a safe distance away from you before the system will look for the tags and start emitting some chirps, asking you to re-enter the tags into the range of the vehicle. If it doesn't see the tags, it will actually immobilize the vehicle. So I will demonstrate that to you now. Right guys, so we're inside the car now. The car is running because the tags are within range. Everything's normal. The car's absolutely fine. It's all normal. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to imitate carjacking. So if anybody was to pull you out of the car, your door will be open and closed. So door is open, you're pulled out of the car, and obviously you're left behind and the thief jumps in and drives off. So I'll give the tags to my colleague who will walk away with them, and we'll imitate carjacking. So the thief is now in your car and the tags have disappeared. Thief gets in, he drives off down the road with the car. The system will pick up the car being moved after the door's been opened and closed, and it'll pick up that the tags have now vanished out of range of the vehicle. It'll allow the thief to drive away a safe distance from you just to get a gap. And after about a minute or so, the siren will start to beep, asking for the tags. So we'll now demonstrate. So there we go. The hazards are now flashing and you're getting some beeps. That's the system basically asking to see the tags. Obviously, if the tags were reintroduced now, everything would stop and you'd be able to carry on. We're demonstrating hijack. So the thief's now driven away, the beeps are going off. They'll go off for approximately 45 seconds and they'll gradually get faster, after which it'll monitor when the car next slows down and it will bring the car to a stop. There you go. Car's immobilized. Car's shut down, can't start the engine now no matter what I try. car's fully immobilized. So you know when you get carjacked, your car is within 2 or 3 minutes from where you were carjacked. It'll be parked up on the side of the street somewhere. You can find your car either using the Land Rover tracking app or your aftermarket tracking app, whatever you've got. Locate your car, jump in with your tags, and everything will be normal. So I'll just show you what happens when you get your tags. So when your tags come back within range of the car, basically you walk near the vehicle. It takes a few seconds for the tags and the alarm to sort of shake hands, and you can just get in. And you can just get in and the car will start and everything's back to normal. So guys, hope you like the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. A lot of people who are watching the videos aren't subscribing. We really could do with subscribers because it helps the channel grow. There's a lot of content coming, and if anybody has got a Range Rover and they want the best security system on the market, give us a shout. Thanks for watching, guys.